unstoppable journeys are everywhere. We're not talking about famous victories or world records. We're talking about everyday journeys. Your small ones and your big ones. From keeping an entire fleet moving on land or at sea, to readying your customers for the road ahead. At Gulf, we're always finding ways to support life's unstoppable journeys. Gulf, together we're unstoppable.
All right, good evening everyone. Jongwoo here and welcome to the Purple Sector Live. It's Tuesday, right after the Canadian Grand Prix. And of course, kompleto kami ngayon, though Andy is under the weather. Thank you so much, Andy, for joining us. Ikaw na lang mauna. Andy, how are you?
Sige, yes. Yes, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this show. Welcome everyone to the Purple Sector. This is our Canadian Grand Prix post-race show. And yes, by the sound of my voice, obviously something's not right. I have the COVID. Talaga pag nurse. Medyo malapitin sa COVID ang nurse. Anyway, I'm here. I'm okay-ish. So we shall persevere. And yes, it was a really good race. So I really wanted to join tonight to talk with everyone about this race. It was so good. It was just that good. We have a lot to unpack. So let's get to it.
All right. Yam, how are you?
Yes, hi, good evening. Yeah. It was really a fun race. Pinagpuyatan ko talaga kasi akala ko the following day, Independence Day na. Nagkamali ako. May 2 araw pa pala na trabaho, but it was all worth it. The race was, great equalizer kasi itong ulan and merong isang team na great equalizer din. Kaya we will discuss that during our blow by blow sa analysis.
Yes.
Okay, Miles.
Action pack. Miles, kumusta's?
Hello! Hello F1 Titos! Hello Internet! Hello Facebook! Hello YouTube! Welcome to another episode of the Purple Sector. We're talking about, as they said, the Australian Grand Prix. It's 9 minutes past 8 o'clock. I hope you join us until the end.
Yep.
And as always, we'll be giving away wonderful giveaways to everyone. May mga questions tayo. And also, don't forget to comment down below wherever you're watching. We're live in Facebook and in YouTube. Comment lang kung may gusto kayo iparating, shout out or anything. Just comment down below and we will be gladly reading them on air live.
Yep. So,
okay, pinahan na natin.
all right, join the conversation down there below. And of course, before we're going to proceed, we're giving away tonight our limited Purple Sector Cup. We have 2 right here. And for the grand prize, of course, a Golf Williams Racing shirt. This is a authentic F1 merch. And of course, we have that, if you can remember, I think from after the live last week, last Tuesday, we had this Guess Who. It was Who's This Driver? I think maraming nakahula, Yamboy. We will be able to know it later. And aside from that, we also have this predictions.
Yeah, we will raffle it away later tonight.
Mamaya, yes. Maraming nakapredict. Maraming naka-identify the driver. So we have to draw it. Sino yung dun sa mga nanalo, i-draw natin yung lucky winner. And of course, we also have the prediction that we had. But we have to follow the rules, okay? It was the deadline should be June 8. Tama ba yun, Yam? June 8.
Yeah,
the
June
deadline
8.
of the prediction. So we will only accept all the answers before or on June 8. So yun po. So that's the rules of that game. But before everything else, before we're gonna go to the analysis for a very interesting qualifying sessions. Justin Dominic Villalon, everyone is low-key, has fun. Yes, of course. Gulat kami doon, di ba? Sino bang hindi magugulat, di ba? We love Haas, we love, though we miss Gunter. So, no? Sir Miles, radio check. Okay na si Miles ngayon, no? Hill, good evening. Carl Conrad, I hope will win his home race in Spain. Next race, yes. You're talking about Mr. Carlos Sainz, yes.
Carlos Sainz pala.
Yeah. Ayun, so that's it. For all of those who are, keep on coming. Buti na lang umabot ako. Saan? Dito sa atin ngayon, of course. All right, so I think, Yamboy, we shall start.
Okay. Let's see. So
The analysis.
The analysis. So before we proceed to the analysis, yeah, I was watching the race. Medyo puyat nung panahon na yon, pero at the beginning parang pangit panoorin, tulog na lang tayo kasi nga maulan. Alam mo yon. Tapos little by little, nakita natin, okay to So kaya yon. Hindi talaga ako natulog for the rest of the race, no? Talagang pinagpuyatan natin. So, eto.
Yes. Ayun, lights
so,
out.
everybody.
Yep.
Canada 2024 Montreal Circuit Gilles ito. Villeneuve 07 to 09 June. Yeah. Dito sa atin, June 10 at 2 a.m. natapos ng 4 a.m. Kasi nga, kinabukasan Independence Day na mali ako. 10 pa pala. Anyway, qualifying.
Yep.
This is, okay, Sergio Perez is right on schedule, no? Just like what happened to him last season. Dito talaga sa mga 5th or 6th race siya nagiging kulelat. Kaya ngayon, hindi man lang siya nakaabot ng Q2, he was already eliminated during Q1 session. So, ito yung mga na-eliminate. Perez, Bottas, Ocon, Hülkenberg, and Zhou Guanyu. And then, eliminated din ang previous winner sa kanyang hometown, Monaco. We have Charles Leclerc. Then, Carlos Sainz. Both Ferraris na tanggal sa Q2.
Surprisingly.
Logan Sargent. Yeah. Kevin Magnussen and Pierre Gasly. And, of course, he celebrated in style. Q3 results. We have George Russell, 1 minute 12 seconds, followed by Verstappen. Makikita natin walang difference between George Russell and Max Verstappen. However, the position was awarded to Russell kasi siya ang unang nakakuha ng 1 minute 12 seconds.
Yep.
So that's the rule. Kung sino yung nauna, sa kanya yon. Kaya during the qualifying result, during the after the qualifying session, feeling talaga niya nanalo siya. Maraming nangantsaw, grabe si George, parang nanalo. However, parang masaya ang Mercedes nito kasi during the Monaco Grand Prix, they introduced a new front wing and it worked. Kaya masaya siya kasi parang isa na naman siya, parang they can actually race with the top 5 cars, no, for Canada. Kaya masaya si George Russell dito. So this is the top 10 after the qualifying session. We have George Russell, Max Verstappen and Lando Norris, then Oscar Piastri, Daniel Ricciardo. Parang nasaktan siguro siya sa sinabi ni the younger Villeneuve.
Yeah. Jacques Villeneuve.
So kaya pinatunayan niya na he still has it, no? And then we have Fernando Alonso on 6, Lewis Hamilton 7, Yuki Tsunoda 8, Lance Stroll 9, and Alexander Albon on the 10th position.
Okay. Yam, time out.
Oh.
May tanong si Hill. Out of Q3, for ilang beses na ba si Checo Perez, mga titos? I think, if I'm not mistaken,
Twice.
Miles, twice na ba? Twice or thrice? Thrice.
Times. We have
Yeah.
Monaco, Canada, and saan yung isa?
I
Miles, saan yung isa?
checking.
Isip.
We
Sige,
are
double check.
checking. We are checking.
We are checking.
He's checking.
Ano to? Logan Sargent has out-qualified Sergio Perez for the second week in a row. What the
That's a
FK
kilometer.
is a
It's a
kilometer?
kilometer.
Imola? Imola ba? Parang Imola. Or na,
Emilia
ayun.
Romagna, no?
Yeah, Romagna.
Okay.
Emilia Romagna. All right, there we go.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miles.
Oo,
Okay.
tama. So, 3 beses na. So, he's on schedule for consistently being inconsistent. All right.
Wow.
Checo, sorry pero yun talagang tingin ko sa iyo eh. You are given a very, very good car.
Di ba, Checo, your boy pa yan noon eh, di ba? Nangyari.
Yeah, Checo, my boy is still my Checo, my boy. Sinunod ko lang yung payo ni Miles na alam mo yun, fan ka, so at least pwede ka ding pwede mo
Pwede
din
ka
silang
mag-criticize.
hindi naman siraan, pero I mean, di ba?
Pwede ka mag-criticize.
Ikaw lang pwede magsabi
Yeah.
ng something like that because
Yeah.
you're following these guys. All right.
Yep.
So, eto na nga. The start of the race, kita mo dito, parang sabi ko, slide lang ito. Masyadong maraming tubig sa likod, maraming disgrasya. Baka maya-maya, bigyan natin to ng 5 minutes. Pero, all of a sudden, the lights out and away they go. Tapos biglang, eto na nga, nauna si George
Malinis yung start,
Russell.
eh, no?
Yeah. Good
Yeah,
start.
malinis yung
Everybody
start.
had a good
Actually, isa lang nagkaroon ng problema, pero I mean that was a first turn incident that's between Gasly and Sergio Perez. So,
Yep.
since dumulas ito, kaya there's no way to go for Checo but to really bump the car of Gasly. So, yan lang talaga. All the rest, wala. So, sabi ko, sige, 5 minutes. Aba, biglang si Haas,
Yeah.
eto na. Ang galing. Kevin Magnussen started
Sipin mo.
15 or 14, di ba? Biglang nag-9. So, ilang kotse na ang na-overtake niya.
Oh, overtake
Nine
mga
siya
Mercedes,
dito.
mga
Oo.
McLaren. Tinuhog.
Ito, tinitira niya si Lance Stroll dito. And then after Lance Stroll, tinira din niya si K-Mag.
Alonso na.
Yan. Tapos, ito si Alonso na. Here, Kevin Magnussen is already 5th after lap 2.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, uy, ganda
Grabe,
to,
no?
okay to. Because when all the rest was using intermediate tires, Haas gambled and used the wet tires. So finally, a racing team na nagkaroon ng guts to use the wet tires for the first time yata this season, no? Wala, ngayon pa lang umulan eh. So, maganda yung grip. However, nung natira na ni Kevin Magnussen si Oscar Piastri and he already took 4th, little by little, after how many laps? Like, after 7 laps, they decided to change tires, no? Kasi parang wala nang grip, and anyway, he already covered a lot of positions na. Pero dito medyo mabagal ang pit stop ni Kevin Magnussen dito. The reason is it was the call of the driver and not of the team. That is why nakaparking na siya dun sa pit.
Saka pa lumabas ng
may-
mga ano.
May nagdadala pa ng mga gulong, may nagdadala pa ng mga ano. So they were really not prepared. Pero it was a call of Kevin Magnussen to change his tire. Kasi thinking na anyway, napakadami ko ng mga natira na mga kotse, at least makaalabas man lang ako on a 9th or 10th. So, masyado talaga silang na-delay. That's why Kevin Magnussen lumabas mga around 15 or 16 siya.
Ang term nun,
Now, this one.
ang term nun, marami na siyang screen time kasi ang dami niyang tinuhog. So, maganda yung exposure. Exposure
maganda na yung exposure. Yeah, maganda na yung exposure. Ang galing talaga. Kaya sabi ko, sige, parang nawala ang antok ko. Ganda itong karera na ito ha. Lalo naman itong mga time na ito na McLaren did a very good strategy here na hindi masyado nila ginasgas yung gulong. Hayaan mo na, Lando, hayaan mo munang mag-away itong si Max Verstappen tsaka si George Russell, tsaka ka find that anong tawag nito, moment where you can really parang gamitin yung gulong mo. Use your tires now kasi lagi dumadaan itong dalawang McLaren doon sa puddles para at least ma-cool off yung kanilang intermediate tires. And it paid off. Dito na nga, Norris, nahabol niya si Max Verstappen dito. So, for second position. And then, after that, nahabol din niya si George Russell. So, pagdating dito, sabi ko, yes, eto, Lando na, ayos na tayo. And, the most famous team that equalizes the race and making champions of other drivers. We have the Williams. Una, nag-slide na siya. Siguro si Logan Sargent nag-slide at the first part of the race, pero he was able to make it na he found reverse and na-atras niya and then he rejoined. But this time, hindi na talaga niya na nagalaw yung kotse niya. That's why safety car was called. So, dito, medyo matatagalan tayo dito dahil we have to discuss or we have to debate or we have to ask everyone who's watching now yung tanong ni Jong kanina. Kasi dito, makikita natin, ang nag-pit kaagad is si Max Verstappen. Second siya from Norris. We have running third itong si George Russell and running fourth itong si Oscar Piastri. Silang tatlo lang ang nag-pit agad after the safety car was called. Now, Miles, regarding this bakit kaya hindi nag-pit si Lando nito? I think you have the explanation. Meron tayong car position ni Lando or Yeah.
Okay. When the first safety car was called during that race, courtesy of Logan Latifi. Logan Sargent pala, sorry. The position nung lumabas, okay, when the stewards called for the safety car, okay, Lando's track position was lumampas na siya sa pit entrance. Okay, he was going towards the pit exit na. Malapit sa pit exit. So when the safety car was called, hindi naman pwedeng umatras para mag-pit si Lando Norris. So he needs to go out. He needs to stay on the track. Okay? Kinuha siya ng safety car. And at the same time, dahil under safety car, so certain delta. Okay? Your speed should be on a certain delta. Okay? But since his position is lumampas na ng pit and the rest of the group is still pwede pang pumasok sa pit. So that's why they got a free cheap pit stop. Okay. So yun na yun. Kaya nakapit sila, the Red Bull, the Mercedes, and Oscar Piastri. Okay. Kaya si Oscar Piastri, magaling yung timing ni Oscar Piastri ng pit kasi it also proved very beneficial for the team. Okay? Kasi because of that, maganda yung kanyang track position to defend Lando Norris from the attacks of other drivers na pwedeng anuhin si Lando Norris. Okay. So, that's why parang ito na lang. Unahan ko na lang, Oscar Piastri was instructed over the radio to go for Verstappen. Diba? But, sabi niya, ako nang bahala kasi merong mga Mercedes na sa likuran ko. There are a lot of drivers, okay. We need to protect Lando Norris, kumbaga. Yun ang gusto niyang ipahiwatig, di ba? Gusto niyang sabihin sa team. Okay. So, that's why parang binyagan nila siyang Australian Minister of Defense. Diba? So, the Defense Minister for Lando Norris, which is really good, really good. But anyway, back to the hope that answered the query, okay? Na yung bakit si Lando Norris nagpit. Kasi dun because of that kasi nawalan ng si Lando Norris track position, okay. So parang we'll talk about that on the second safety car na.
Yeah. Miles, baka masagot na to. Gil Bautista, mga titos pag umulan, ilang set ng intermediate at full wet sa FP1 hanggang race day. So not sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not sure ako sa tire allocation ng teams Kasi you're talking about FP1 since the start FP1.
Yes, so
there are times kasi din
I think I think the FIA and F1 would consider if, for example, ulan all the way, probably they will change the allocation, no? Dagdagan natin ng inters, dagdagan natin ng unlike kung full dry siya, merong mga meron lang number of soft, hard, and medium. Pero pag ulan, probably case to case basis. Kasi we all know during this race, dalawa na lang inters nila Tapos may dalawang full wet pa sila. So that's why it was the battle of pit stops talaga itong karera na ito. And battle of, the way they manage the way they manage their tire, 'di ba? Kaya yon, pagka naghabulan sa una, yun yung nangyari kay Max Verstappen and kay George Russell Kaya natira sila ni Lando Norris kasi naghabulan itong dalawa, George Russell and si Max Verstappen, naghabulan sila without knowing that McLaren was doing a very good job for managing their tire. Kaya biglang all of a sudden Lando Norris nakalusot kaagad siya. Una tinira niya si Verstappen, after one lap tinira din niya si George Russell. So yun ang nangyari. So probably hindi pa ako nakapanood kasi ng kung ilang inters ang allocation nila, ganyan, pag ulan all the way from FP1 all the way to race day. Diba? Probably consider nila na dagdagan natin.
Kasi it's free practice 1, free practice 2, and free practice 3, okay? Some teams opt to use used, diba? Gumagamit sila ng used tires, used softs for their practice sessions. Kasi practice sessions are there kasi they need that to do some necessary adjustments to the cars, diba? Kaya nga, diba, magkakaibag yun yung oras ng So, it really doesn't dictate, hindi talaga yun ang the real pace of the car, FP1 and FP2. FP3 naman, dyan na sila kasi FP3 is closest to qualifying. Yun na yung last na na nila Yun na yung last adjustment na nila Last, kung ano pang gagawin nila sa car nila. So,
tapos Parc Fermé rules na.
That's Parc Fermé rules na. So, yun na yun. So, more or less, FP3 times is the qualifying times and is the pace, actual pace of the car. Okay? And, balik tayo sa tire allocation. Iba-iba kasi ang tire allocations for every Grand Prix. Okay? If we're going to do a Google search, tire allocation sa Canadian Grand Prix is iba from tire allocation sa Imola. Okay. Ito quick Google search lang, basahin ko na lang. Sa Imola, 2 sets of hard tires, 3 sets of medium tires, and 8 sets of soft tires, as well as green intermediate tire and blue full wets should they be required. Yun yung that tire allocation for the team sa Emilia for the Imola Grand Prix. So, kada Grand Prix is iba-iba yung But, basically, nandun yun eh. Meron talagang allocation ng wets.
Alright.
For
Thank you,
that,
Miles.
kasi
Thank you, Miles.
baka biglang ulan, di ba?
Yeah. Yum. Continue.
Okay. To continue, ito. Nagkaroon pa ng konting issue between George Russell and Max Verstappen. Nagkaipitan pa. Buti hindi sila na-investigate further. And walang penalty for both the drivers. So, after that, eto na. Lando Norris pumasok. After nung tatlo, nakaikot na siya and then pasok siya sa pit. So, eto na, palabas na si Lando Norris dito. Nakikita natin dito na nauna na si Max Verstappen followed by George Russell and ito si Oscar Piastri. Paglabas niya, since nauna si Lando Norris na mag-pass through this white line, so binigay ni Oscar Piastri kay Lando Norris yung third position. And then after this, nakita natin Lando Norris, ayan na naman, he's a threat for the top 2 drivers, no? Then I would just like to show this move of Albon. He was doing this overtake.
Double
dito
overtake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Siya na to. Ricardo yata.
Una, titirahin lang sana niya si Daniel Ricciardo. Pero pagdating niya dito, Daniel Ricciardo. Tapos pagdating niya dito banda, parang kung hindi ko gagawin ito, baka disgrasya ang abot. Kaya he did a very good ninja move to overtake Esteban Ocon as well. And then kung makikita mo yung onboard ni Alexander Albon, parang talagang ang bilis niya dito sa turn na ito. Parang
chicane,
walang nangyari. And I am so proud of Ocon during this time. Kasi wala talaga, hindi sila nagtama, walang rubbing, walang so parang na-realize niya na, nakita nyo mabait man ako.
Pero meron may issue rin, may issue with the Alpine boys sa Canadian Grand Prix, okay, di ba?
Sige, so
time,
chika natin mamaya.
Yeah, all right.
So, ito, pinakamagandang move sa karera na ito. And then after this, okay. This is the second pit stop. Sa second pit stop,
tuyo
na yung truck. Pumasok si Max Verstappen and then pumasok din si George Russell. And then, ito, nagets ko ito eh. Kaya ba't hindi pumasok muna si Lando Norris? Kasi since magkaka-delay itong dalawa dahil nag-pit stop sila. This is a regular pit stop lang. So, bibilisan ni Lando Norris ngayon yung takbo niya na para at least may lamang siya ng konting segundo pag-pit niya and paglabas niya sa pit, mauuna pa din siya from Max Verstappen and George Russell, which is nangyari nga talaga, no? Kasi nung pag-pit ni Lando, makikita natin dito, ayan pa si Max Verstappen, nasa likuran niya. So tama yun. In theory, that's good. This was a gamble for the team, no? And then dito, makikita natin, exit na ito and pwede na siya mag-resume ng kanyang speed. Kasi within the pit straight, parang pit stop area, sa pit lane, parang 40 kilometers per hour lang yata sila. And then paglampas dito, pwede na. So, yun ang nangyari. Eto na nga, makikita natin, nauna talaga si Lando from Max Verstappen. Yan. Nauna talaga siya. Okay, sabi ko, okay, ayos ito. Ayan, nauna nga. However, since Max Verstappen already had a very good warm-up dun sa kanyang
Tired.
slicks,
Yeah.
so
Mhm.
maganda na yung kanyang grip. Kaya pagdating dito, kahit nauna si Lando Norris, nag-slide pa si Lando dito. Makikita ninyo, makintab pa yung gulong niya. Compare mo naman dun sa medyo melted na ng konti and properly warmed up tires ni Max Verstappen. Kaya, Max was able to take P1, first place from Lando Norris. So, yun ang nangyari. And then, here we can see,
Yam,
since
sandali
nga,
lang.
abay.
Yeah, sandali lang. May oras ka ba ng difference ni Lando Norris before siya nag-pit?
Check natin Let's see the
Okay.
slide.
Kasi ito lang. Before kasi ang pit
Should be yung average
pit
na pit
stop
stop time ng ano, diba?
ang pit stop na
stop.
kasi na mawawala Canadian Grand Prix na the pit stop na loss of the time is around 18.4 18.3 seconds. Okay.
Yan,
Considering
yan,
yung
Miles,
2.5.
20.789.
See? Okay.
Mm.
Parang Lando Norris should have got more than 18.5 seconds gap. Okay. So that's enough lang pala, 'di ba? 20.789, 'di ba? I was really excited kasi when I saw this when Lando Norris dived into the pits with that time gap interval between Lando Norris and Max Verstappen. So, okay. So mariretain ni Lando Norris ang kanyang lead. Pero really exciting paglabas niya ng yung next clip mo yan na yung kasi 18.5 lang kasi and the pit of Lando Norris is sub 2 seconds yan pala average time lost. Okay. 18.5 with the 2.5 seconds, di ba? So yun na
Kaya dito mabilis siya. Pero
yan.
I will just like to share from here kasi bumuelo na siya pero the car was still very erratic because yun nga medyo damp
Bago
pa
pa
yung
madulas pa
damp,
talaga.
madulas
Bago
pa
pa din
yung kalye and bago pati yung gulong. Ayan, until this at this point makintab pa yung gulong niya. Kung regular days yan, dito hindi na yan, flat na yan, ang kulay niyan flat na. Dito makintab pa din. So, yun. Kaya in theory or kung hindi lang basa ang racetrack, Lando would do dito first place and mahihirapan sila Verstappen and si George Russell na habulin siya. Kaya yun ang nangyari. So dito na overtake pa ni George nga si Lando kasi George Russell's hards was already warmed up properly na may temperature na tapos dito Lando Norris medyo kakalabas-labas lang niya ng pit nito kaya na-overtake pa siya ni George Russell. Nakalamang na sana si George Russell ng mga ilang seconds and biglang nangyari ito. Nagkaroon ng error si George Russell. That is why
gigil na naman.
nahabol. Ayan, tingnan mo That was 4 seconds. He was 4 seconds away from Lando Norris. And nanggigil na naman or he was too busy talking to his engineers. Lahat na lang Lahat may reklamo si Russell Kaya napagsabihan siya ni Toto na focus on the race. Focus on the race.
Ni Darth Toto.
Oo, kasi
Dami nagsabi na parang boses ni Darth Vader
kaya nga. George, focus on the race. Baka marami na tayong mga comments dito.
Ayun. Focus, George. Focus.
Focus, George. Focus.
Use
the force.
Pit exits still slippery out of the racing line. Yes, kasi kung saan yung exit, hindi yun ang dinadaanan, hindi yun ang racing line, kaya medyo basa pa doon. Tama. I think he have 20 or 21 seconds gap to Verstappen. Correct. Second winner of the Krita over the month.
I must be talking about
Ocon learned his
Alfie
lesson.
Albon.
Yeah.
Carl,
Tapos
Carl
bumaba.
promotion yan, Carl. Bawal yan mag-promote.
Lewis is now the Valtteri. It's James of the the Valtteri is James of the team. Yeah.
Pero
Sa
they
baba,
were,
wala na ba?
they were really battling out
Meron pa sa baba.
between the two Mercedes boys. But anyway, ito pa. Okay. Ito na lang, Yam. Yam or any F1 Tito. How many laps did Lando do before siya gipit? Ilang laps siya before niya na-achieve yung 20 to 21 seconds gap to Verstappen?
1 lap lang yata, bay.
1 lap lang ba?
Oh, 1 lap
okay.
lang. 1 lap lang. Na ano na kaagad, tapos after isang ikot, pasok siya. Nakuha kaagad niya eh. Nakalamang kaagad eh. Kasi the reason din kung bakit medyo nagkaroon siya ng 20 to 21 seconds gap is yun nga, paglabas din ito ni Max Verstappen and ni George Russell, dumulas din sila. Kaya may budget talaga. Tama yun. In theory, perfect talaga yung ginawa sana ni McLaren. Kasi dumulas din ito eh. Basa din yung exit ng pit. Kaya yun, dumulas din ito. Kaya biglang nagkaroon ng 20-something seconds na gap si Lando and si Max. Nung pagpasok niya, kita naman natin, nauna talaga si Lando na lumabas. Pero yun nga, dahil dumulas pa si Lando, na ano siya, naipit siya.
Ito, Yam, he extended two laps.
2 laps.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
2 laps. Thank you, Hill. Thank you.
Baka,
Recall.
thank you. Thank you for that.
So, ano?
Kasi,
Okay, yan. Yun nga, that with the 20 seconds gap, with the 2 laps gap, 2 laps na naka 20 seconds siya, di ba? Many people are calling na he should have gone sooner, di ba? Pero yun na nga, as illustrated by Amboy, nakita dun sa slide, the pit exit was still wet and people are sliding. Hindi lang si Lando Norris nagsa-slide when siya lang yung nahagip ng F1 cameras, diba? Kaya nakita. But still, well,
okay.
Ano talaga? Weather yun daw. It's the weather. For tweets.
Yep.
Wala talaga. Sayang, no? Luck of the draw
And
talaga yung nangyari.
Andy,
it would have been so good para rin.
Yeah. Andy, what can you say about our last lap George friend here? Alam mo, he was enjoying a 4-second
I'm
lap.
seeing a pattern.
Norris, diba? Yeah.
Yung napapansin kong pattern, di na to, nagigigil talaga tong batang ito. Nagigigil siya. And, easily distracted. Kasi, yun, he had the race. Kita mo, fastest lap pa siya dyan, no?
Yeah, fastest lap.
Yes.
He had it. Sayang. Na talagang nadidistract siya. And, he just makes mistake under pressure. So, kulang pa ng talaga. Bata pa yan, eh. Experience pa talaga.
Yeah.
And
which naman,
after the win of Lando din, we see him now as this pole position hungry Lando Norris na talaga na to win every chance he get, di ba? So kaya George would be in trouble because of Lando Norris now. Kaya yun. And let's discuss mamaya, i-discuss naman natin kasi marami ding bumatikos dun sa sistema ni Ferrari na nag-slicks kaagad sila kay Charles Leclerc, di ba? So discuss natin mamaya.
Yep.
So to continue, after this, nahabol na ni Lando Norris si George Russell kasi nga nagkaroon ng konting problema itong si George, na distract siya. Tapos bumagal yung takbo niya, kaya Lando Norris took second position from George Russell. And then eto, nauna na si Lando. And then after this, okay, Checo my boy. Dumulas and hit the wall. Pero sinabihan siya ng team,
Aray.
okay, you have to bring that sa pits kahit anong mangyari because we do not want to call the safety car for our leader Max Verstappen. Siyempre. So, supposed to be, matatawagan na ito ng unsafe kasi nakabitay na yung kanyang rear wing and whatnots doon sa likuran niya. Pero buti na lang nakarating siya ng pit. Okay, walang safety car. And biglang nangyari ito kay Carlos Sainz and kay
William.
Albon.
William.
Alexander Albon. Williams of Alexander Albon. Kawawa si Albon nito
Damay
because
siya.
after all the ninja moves and everything, he was 10th position. Meron sana siyang points nito.
Points, yes.
Nadamay siya. Actually, nadamay siya. Makikita natin dito. Ito dito, yan. Hindi na niya matakbo yung kanyang kotse. Ito yon, pag spin ni Carlos Sainz, tumama sa kotse
likod
ni Albon. Nadamay lang talaga siya. Walang may kasalanan dito. Yun lang talaga ang nangyari. Kaya sayang kay Alex, may punto sana siya dito. Kasi nahirapan humabol itong Red Bull sa kanya and itong Red Bull, Cash App, Team RB and itong Alpine.
Alpine yan, di ba?
Alpine. So, eto, at lap 55 of 70, free pit stop itong dalawang Mercedes, change into a softer tire, nag-medium na si George Russell from hard, pati din si Lewis Hamilton. Para mahabol nila si Oscar Piastri and Lando Norris at this point. So dito yung na-mention ni Miles kanina na the team informed or the team instructed OP81, Oscar Piastri, na okay, sige, kunin mo si Lando, tirahin mo si Max kasi mas okay yung pace. Pero sabi ni Oscar Piastri na wag, harangin ko muna itong dalawang Mercedes na humahabol sa amin. Leave me to it. Ang galing nga eh. Kaya okay. Sana maraming ibang drivers ang matuto dito kay Oscar Piastri. That was published. That was team player. Yeah.
Team player.
Published yun. Narinig natin lahat yun. So, kudos to Oscar Piastri. 2 taon mo pa lang ito, pero malaki talaga ang future nitong batang ito. Alright. So, eto na nga si George Russell. The Giggle George Russell. Nakigpag-git-gitan pa dito kay Oscar Piastri. Buti na lang. The Wonder Boy. Na-maintain pa niya yung position niya. Kaya dito lumabas si George Russell. Then after this, dahil nga lumabas siya dito, naunahan siya ni Lewis Hamilton. Then after this, Lewis Hamilton took Oscar Piastri. So he's now running third. Tapos nakuha din ni George Russell si Oscar Piastri. Fourth na si George Russell. And hindi pa natuwa si George Russell, pati yung teammate niya kinuha din niya. We are racing. Just remember, it goes without saying na keep it safe or parang ganyan. So, yan yung nandyan. Instruction na, keep it clean. Please keep it clean. Yun ang sabi.
Yeah, keep it clean. Yeah.
Keep it clean. So, well, third na sana. First podium of the 7-time world champion for this season, pero nakuha pa din ni George Russell. And makikita din natin kung gaano ka si Lewis Hamilton, champion na hindi na niya pinatulan yung kanyang teammate. Anyway, 2025 alis naman ako. Di ba, Jong?
Yeah.
Ito na lang.
So, right here.
Makikita natin fastest lap naman. Tapos, Lewis Hamilton got the fastest lap.
Yeah.
Kaya nga. So, ito, before we end this analysis, pansinin naman natin si Charles Leclerc. Di ba? Marami nagsasabi, palpak na naman si Ferrari. Palpak na naman si Ferrari kasi bakit nila nilagay ang slicks na alam naman nila na maulan, pero it was a gamble for the team, di ba? Gamble yun sugal yun Na imagine, okay, tiisin mo lang muna yan kasi the track is getting drier, so since naka-slicks ka na and all of them will go to the pit and change their tires, so mataas ang chance natin. Anyway, we have nothing to lose kasi nandito tayo sa 11 or 12 na position and may sira pa yung baterya niya, di ba? So malay mo makalusot pa tayo sa points, di ba? Ganun yun. So relax lang, Team Ferrari. Huwag kayong mag-alala. It's a gamble, it's racing. That's how it is. Walang ginawang mali si Ferrari diyan. So Carl walang ginawang mali. Baka sino naman ang i-fire out ni Carl?
Ito, there's a point here for Hill. The team at Leclerc choose to gamble kasi kala nila 2 minutes lang ang rain. Actually, that's what do you call that? The strategy, lang. Yun lang yung
Mali. Wrong call.
Strategy. Yeah, wrong call.
Yeah.
So,
pero it's a gamble talaga. Wala kang magawa.
So, it's a gamble. It's
Kasi if it happened the other way around, di ba? Kung wala nang rain na tuyo na, sila naman yung may upper hand. Kasi all the rest would pit, di ba? Sila ready na, di ba? Hindi lang talaga.
Okay. May chismis si Shaira. Have you heard one of the article from Sportskida F1 saying that Lewis said that this is one of the worst race that he has been? I'm kind of worried because he placed fourth and he'll go to Ferrari next year. Worried ako sa mental health niya, knowing how Ferrari strategize. And actually, pero let's just pray. Let's just pray na, taking everything into consideration, pray lang natin na this is racing. You're giving the fans a good time. So sana nga, Luis, okay natin.
Let me also add to Shaira. Okay. Shaira, Sportskida kasi. Okay. Ayaw kong kalabanin ng Sportskida. We're just a small F1 show, Ayaw ko laban Sportskida. But Sportskida is known to be the OG Diaz or the Christy Permin or the what they call the Boyabunda of the F1 community. Di ba? They are, kumbaga, kung may usok, may apoy, di ba? So, pero they're dwelling on the usok They're not talking about the apoy mismo Anyway, they're also known for clickbaits and for di ba? Alam mo na how that works, di ba? Anyway, talking about Lewis Hamilton, okay. Him saying that is his worst race, di ba? Palagi naman yung sinasabi yan kung kahit anong karera, di ba? Kahit anong karera na hindi siya nananalo, he keeps on saying that. Okay. Parang, is that like downplaying himself or anything or challenging the team or anything? But, anyway, hindi kasi natin nakikita buong picture kasi wala talaga tayo sa kanilang We can't see them directly, di ba?
Yeah.
And also, pwede namang scripted or sinabi ng kanilang media liaison, communications officer or anything say that na kunwari kawawa ka or anything. Well, they have their own, kumbaga, post-race, meron din sila mga strategies for their team. Anyway, okay. Since we're talking about yung kay Shaira and Mercedes-Benz, okay. Ito na lang. How many kapalpakan, how many errors did George Russell commit? Okay. There were a lot during the race. And I can't blame him. Okay. I can't blame him. It's just like, because suddenly they have this car from Monaco and right now, they have this car that has the pace. Okay. They finally got the front wing to behave, to perform properly. And now, kita naman nila, they could, parang kaya na nilang makipagsabayan elbows out with the top teams, di ba? Parang nandun na sila ulit, balik na naman tayo sa ring para makipag-boxing, di ba? So, just like a bata, just like a small kid, handing a small kid a 1,000 peso bill, bilhin mo anong gusto mong bilhin sa Toy Kingdom, di ba? Parang ganoon eh. Nanggigigil, di ba? Parang alam ko, kaya ko to, and everything. So, yun na nga. Oscar Piastri, sino pa bang kanyang mga na nagkamali siya, di ba? So, well, yung na-mention kanina, I don't know if sino yung nag-mention, but, di ba? Focus, George, focus, di ba? Well, yun na nga. We can't blame. Personally, I can't blame George. So, nanggigigil lang talaga sa to. Yun nga, he needs to more focus. Pero, well, walang magawa si Toto eh. Hindi naman niya hawak yung manibela ng sasakyan. But, regardless kung anong posisyon ng kanyang mga boys, he's still a billionaire. He owns the team.
Yeah. Okay, Yam, I think let's finish the Yam analysis.
Alright, so eto na nga, Max Verstappen took his win at the Canadian Grand Prix, followed by Lando Norris and George Russell. So here's the top 10 drivers for the Canadian Grand Prix. We have Max Verstappen, Lando Norris, George Russell, Lewis Hamilton, Oscar Piastri, Fernando Alonso, Lance Stroll, Daniel Ricciardo, Pierre Gasly, and Esteban Ocon. And meron kaninang nagsabi na grabe yung reaction time ni K-Mag doon sa spin ni Yuki Tsunoda. Yes, I agree. Buti na lang hindi nagkaroon ng problema yon. Si Hulkenberg ba yan?
Hulkenberg yata yun.
Anyway. Mahirap yun. Grabe ang
grabe reaction talaga ng F1 driver niya.
Pangatlong safety car na naman.
Safety car na naman.
I mean, baka nandiyan na yung araw. Pag panood ko nung time na yan. So, Drivers' Championship points. We have Max Verstappen, 194, followed by Charles Leclerc, 138. Lando Norris, 131. So, Lando Norris is slowly picking up points and baka maunahan pa niya si Charles Leclerc kasi si Charles nag-DNF siya. So, yun. And then Lando took the second place. Kaya yan. Carlos Sainz, Sergio Perez, kulelat na naman itong batang ito. Hindi ko malaman kung bakit, kung kailan siya nagpirma ng extension. Well, may nag-mention din kanina. I don't know kung nabasa pa natin. I think Sergio Perez was given additional 2 years kasi maraming sponsors si Sergio na bit-bit. Sikat na sikat ang Red Bull doon sa Mexico ngayon. And I think gusto din ni Max Verstappen na number 2 driver niya si Perez. So, at ay magawa. And then we have Oscar Piastri, 81. George Russell, 69. Lewis Hamilton, 55. Fernando Alonso, 41. And Yuki Tsunoda, 19. Constructors, Red Bull, 301. Followed by Ferrari at 252. And then McLaren, top 3 na. Papaya, 212. Mercedes, 124. Aston Martin, 50. 58. Red Bull Honda, 28. Haas Ferrari, 7. Alpine Renault, 5. Williams Mercedes, 2. And Kick Sauber, 0. And June 21, 22, 23 is Formula 1 Gran Premio de España. Alas 9 ito, ladies and gentlemen, ng gabi. Kaya balik Europa na naman tayo. Meron na naman mga live viewings niyan. So shout out to F1 live viewing community. Please post your schedules for the Gran Premio de España. And that's all for the analysis for tonight.
Alright. Thank you, Yam.
Basa naman tayo na. Before anything else, baka na-miss ko na si Logan Sargent dyan, Jong. Baka...
Iano natin kasi alam natin si Logan Sargent won't be coming back. Is that right? That's what I've heard. So, who's the driver?
Pakinggan natin siya.
Nag-text siya sa'yo, Jong?
Nag-text siya?
Nag-text sa'yo na hindi na raw siya, ayaw na niya.
Alright.
Ayaw na niya, Jong. Ayaw na
Yeah.
niya, Jong, kasi inumpisa na natin tawaging Latifi. Di ba?
Yeah, yun na nga eh. Alright, let's hear it from our friends from golf.
Good to go. Hi, my name is Logan Sargent. I am the newest Williams driver for the 2023 season, and yeah, ready to get going. I would describe the new Gulf Williams partnership as historic, unstoppable, and fast. I think having the chance to represent both Gulf and Williams is a really special opportunity. They both have a lot of history within racing, and being able to carry that logo on my suit as well as on the car throughout the year, and it just carries a really special energy. It's definitely special to be the first full-time American since 2007 in Formula One. It has a pretty nice ring to it. I'm looking to represent my country to the best of my ability and make everyone proud. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, let's go. Hi, I'm Alex Albon and I'm a Formula One driver for Williams Racing. This year I'm most excited to race at Las Vegas. Firstly, a new race for everyone. The hype already is massive. It's going to be a night race, which is always cool. It's going to be very special. I would describe the Gulf Williams partnership as iconic, beautiful and historical. Being in the driving seat for Gulf and Williams, there was almost a little bit of a feeling of expectation. Two heavyweight names in the world of motorsport. You wear that with pride. I'm of course very excited to get going this year. I'm sure the collaboration between the two of us is going to push us forwards. It's a very iconic brand to be along with Williams, which is also an iconic brand. So that will fuel us into the future, and hopefully we can have a good season.
No problem.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Gulf Oil Philippines. Maraming salamat. And of course, also would like to thank Pirelli and Alpine Stars. Okay, so what's up? What are we going to talk about before we're going to give out? So, there was a comment a while ago regarding the black flag. Should have, brought the black flag for Sergio Perez. Though, sa tingin ko, nalusutan naman niya yun eh, no? So, plus aside from that, there was another safety car after that. So, hindi din talaga naiwasan at it didn't, went to their really advantage or whatsoever that, kaya the strategy as well of Red Bull really did pave, kumbaga, was really on spot during that day. I think one of the breaks of the race was. Do you think McLaren should have come inside the pit together with the two cars of Verstappen and Russell would have changed the race? Maybe. Do you think? Head-on na lang sila with the new tires all the way with Verstappen and Lando Norris? I don't think so. Miles, ikaw, anong tingin mo? Ha?
Could have.
Possible, no?
Could have
Right?
talaga. Could have. Oo.
Yeah.
Very possible. Si Lando pa naman na very competitive na siya at the front. So,
Andi mo
no,
na.
again, tulad lang yun na sinabi ni Verstappen a few weeks ago. It's all about ifs. If. Puro if. Di ba? Tapos sinundan niya ng joke na medyo talagang Netherlands na humor na super dry. Anyway, yes, I think it would have changed the outcome. At least it would have at the very least siguro it would have made for a very interesting finish kasi I don't think na Verstappen would have won like 3 seconds ahead of anyone kung gano'n na nangyari. Maybe manalo pa rin si Max, pero I'm pretty sure na yung gap would have been very, very small. That being said, yun na nangyari. That's what racing is all about, di ba? That's what racing is about. Puro if, puro what if, ano na lang. Pero
Ay, ikaw, Miles.
everything, they did everything with the information that they had.
Yeah.
So yun.
Yeah.
In the event na it was good timing for Lando Norris na pwede siyang mag-pit, would you think McLaren would have won the Canadian Grand Prix? Not considering the position he has during the race, pero kung in kaso na he was able to pit when the safety car was called,
Yung first,
na nauna siya mag-pit,
yung
and
first,
then next
yung
is siya yung una mag-pit, then next si Max, and then next si would you think manalo si or kayang ipanalo ni Lando Norris yung karera? Ikaw, Miles.
Ito na lang. Okay, here's my take. Okay. I just read something new today. Okay. Okay. It only took 4 to 5 seconds. Okay. Ito based ito sa GPS timing and data. Okay. Lando Norris reached turn 13. Okay. Pit entry. Around 4 to 5 seconds after the safety car was deployed. But he didn't enter the pit lane. He carried on to complete another lap, di ba? Yun na yung sabi. Kung nag-pit man siya, okay? Bakit hindi agad siya nasabihan na pwede pa sana siyang mag-pit? Kasi that's 4 seconds pa bago siya mag-ano. Yung ko lang based sa GPS timing.
Pero 4 seconds.
At hindi na siya nasabihan ng team. Okay? So is the team to blame ba ng ganun,
Yeah,
di ba?
It's
Kaya,
impossible.
di ba, parang kaya yun na nga, biglaan kasi parang supposedly dapat parang when the team saw Logan Sargent's car na nagkaano, automatic bigla na
possibility
prepare for
of
pit.
safety car.
Safety car. Prepare for pits. Nasaan yung mga sasakyan natin? Okay, sinunguna natin, magdo-double stack ba or anything. The pit crew, they train for that every other day. They train for it every day. Okay. They're getting paid big bucks for pits, di ba? So, alam na nila, automatic yan. Para yung aircraft pilot or ano man.
Yeah.
Diba?
An aircraft carrier.
Jet pilot, di ba?
Yes.
Automatic yan agad when the call comes, di ba? But the team didn't make the call. Sayang yung 4 to 5 seconds. Kasi if only Lando pitted, okay, he should have maintained the lead. Pantay pa rin. And at the same time, ma-maintain niya yung lead niya, clean air and everything. So, hindi makaano si yung mga cars na sunod sa kanya. Okay? Yun na lang. I also cannot blame the team. Okay? McLaren. Why? Because for how many years, kailan naging competitive ang McLaren? Diba? Balik ako sa I'm a McLaren fan. Wearing a Williams shirt right now. But, kailan sila naging competitive? Kailan sila naging parang top team? Diba? Kailan sila? For how many years? Almost more than a decade. They're on the midfield, diba? So, hindi masyado nilang yan. If you're a midfield team, hindi mo masyado pinapansin yung that gap the 4 to 5 second gap na sana, diba? But now you're on a top team, diba? They should parang somehow they should up their ante, diba? In strategy making stuff, diba? Decision making strategies, diba? They should up the ante kasi top team na tayo, diba? If you want us to remain the top team, diba? We should. Hindi lang tayo sa mabilisang pit stop. Proper timing of pit stops din. Paano natin positioning ng ating just like before, panahon pa yan ng early 2000s. I forgot. Pit stops is just like chess di ba?
Oh yeah.
Hindi yung kung parang bantayan mo rin kasi yung pit stop ng kalaban, di ba? Just like chess, di ba? Any move ng kalaban dapat may counter ka na 2-3 moves ahead, di ba? Parang ganyan Yan yung pit stop strategy. Hindi lang yan sa So, yun na. Siguro somehow Zach, hope sana nanonood ka, sana
text mo nga
yung payo namin na ang strategy. Medyo lang konti. Bigyan sana tutukan ng konti ang strategy kasi sayang. But anyway, nonetheless, makikita naman natin, McLaren has the pace. Okay, very good. Very happy.
Chain reaction.
Yeah.
Tama si Sir Hill.
They have the pace and everything. They have a good driver lineup, di ba? LN4 and OP1, OP81, very good. So, this is going to be interesting season, di ba?
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
they say it's gonna be boring because Max Verstappen, di ba? But anyway, nakita naman natin, di ba? Medyo yun nga lang. Medyo maingay kasi ang F1 kasi after in between races, grabe ang grabe ang away grabe ang interviews di ba?
Yeah.
Your downgrade, yun nga, di ba naman mention, your downgrade nga yung ginawa mo, pero your downgrade beat your upgrade, di ba? Parang anyway, yun sabi ni Christian Horner, di ba? Even though downgrade
Okay,
namin,
before we
pero
proceed,
natalo naman yun.
Yeah.
yes, of course. Now, before we proceed, no, may two things lang sana ko sabihin. No? Number one, Gil Bautista. Shout out sa mga Filipino marshal. Kung di ako nagkakamali, meron noon sa Canada. Yes, there were. Shout out po mga Filipino marshals natin during the Canadian Grand Prix. Thank you guys for making the race possible, no? And yeah, thank you for the hard work. I'm sure it was not easy sa inyo sitting in all that rain and having to clean up after every crash, every event, no? So really appreciate your efforts, guys. Thank you so much. Talagang ang ganda siguro ng lugar nila doon, no? Imagine nyo guys, ang ganda siguro ng posisyon nila.
Of course, but yeah.
You're at the Gilles Villeneuve
Yeah.
circuit, Gilles Villeneuve race circuit. Tas
Ito.
ganun pa ka-hectic yung karera. Nakakaingit
Jump.
Pero well done guys. Well,
Ito,
good on you for
Andy,
Yes,
Shaira,
John.
yeah, Gil Bautista, pero feeling ko pick nila talaga during Hakkinen days. Yep, I think
Yes.
because Hakkinen did won a back-to-back world champion. Tama ba, Miles? No, back-to-back yun, no? I think
Si
Hakkinen
Hamilton
won.
pala dong.
Nag-back-to-back ba siya?
Hamilton pala.
Hindi siya nag-back-to-back.
Yes.
He won.
McLaren, ha? Hindi
Iyo.
Mercedes. McLaren.
Oh, McLaren na.
McLaren ba yun?
He got his first WDC with McLaren.
Yeah, but
Hamilton.
hindi back-to-back. Hindi second year.
Hindi ba?
Hindi second year, yeah. But Hakkinen and David Coulthard did or Hakkinen did have a back-to-back world champion. So kaya yun. So I think it would be more on tama si Shaira na during those days pa si McLaren medyo I think the stewardship of Ron Dennis pa. So well, so yun. Maraming issues during that time, no. Ito, yes, Kimi and David, pero Hamilton days fighting for wins. Dindon almost won the WDC, yeah. But no, they were fighting against the Red Bulls of the Ferrari
Sebastian Vettel.
of Kimi and the Red Bull of Sebastian Vettel. So those were the days. Wow, no, malala nyo.
Grabe, no? Tagal na. Anyway, just going back to another subject lang dito sa
Yeah.
recently concluded natin na race. For those wondering, yes, na-penalize si Daniel Ricciardo. If you remember, back
5-second
kung
penalty.
bakit 5-second penalty siya, di ba? Masakit. That was for a false start. Apparently, false start. Tinignan yung replay. Parang hindi naman siya gumagalaw, di ba? Sa tingin niyo guys, tingin niyo na my fellow F1 titos as well as everyone else listening in, watching.
I didn't
Full start. Yes, napinala siya. Kaya nga yung pit stop niya plus 5 seconds pa yun kasi sinerve niya yung penalty. Pero,
Questionable kasi.
personally, ayoko maniwala. Kasi parang hindi naman siya gumagalaw yung sasakyan niya.
Yet, then again, Andy, probably
Weird, no?
there's an error doon sa nagabantay, doon sa system. If you can remember, it was really visible for Lando Norris, di ba? Tama. And then,
diba?
hindi nabasa ng computer. So, baka dito, opposite naman. Nag-react agad yung computer doon sa, siguro, di ba, Jong? That was the explanation during that time.
Hindi
Baka
Hindi na ba
dito
sa
nag-react
telemetry?
kagad yung computer. Oo.
Okay, the
Nakikita sa
telemetry,
telemetry eh.
that's not there.
Yeah.
Hindi natin masabi. Na ito na lang, simplified lang. Okay, they raced on Gilles Villeneuve racetrack. Kalaban ni Villeneuve si Ricardo. So, yun na yun. That's it.
So,
Okay, there's a bit of a
yeah.
bit of a back and forth between those two. Pero yun nga, parang effective naman yung ginawa ni ni Jacques Villeneuve. Kung yun ba yung intention niya was to light a fire under Daniel Ricciardo. Well, he did it.
Yeah.
He's done it. So thank you Jacques Villeneuve for the fire under Daniel Ricciardo. Now, Justin Dominic Villalon, balik tayo sa kay Lewis. Nakita niyo yung mga titos yung after race radio kay Lewis, hindi siya nagre-respond daw. Hindi siya nagre-respond siya siguro sa frustration or he already knows they're sabotaging his car. I wouldn't go so far as sabotage.
Yeah.
No. You do not sabotage your driver, especially your 7-time world champion.
Yeah.
The most expensive.
He's done this
The
before.
most expensive.
Yeah. Exactly. He's the highest paid driver. Tapos isasabotahin mo yung race niya. No, I don't think so. I don't think any team would do that. Kahit sino pang driver niya, kahit si Logan Sargent pa yan. I don't think any team would be as crazy as that para lang kahit ano pang agenda nila. It's very easy to jump to conclusions. Pero keep in mind na this isn't the first time na tahimik sa Hamilton sa radyo. He's done this before. Talagang siya.
2021. 2021.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Exactly,
Actually,
di ba?
ngayon lang yan na ngayon lang na napansin. Kasi Sportskida, napansin kasi ni Sportskida. So, ginawa niya ng
Yeah.
Yes.
But anyway.
Alright. Okay.
But
Let's
no,
go
I
to
wouldn't
this.
go so far sabotage.
Yeah. Guess the
Is
driver.
the driver na?
Yep. We'll do this
Okay.
now. Guess the driver. Yam, do the honors. They're gonna get this
2011.
Okay.
shirt right here.
Guess
Wow.
the
Dapat
driver.
dapat may stinger.
Dalawang facts lang ang binigay ko. F1 debut 2011, won Monaco. I think
Alam
the
na.
won Monaco was the one who gave it away ba.
Yeah.
Pero anyway,
Alam na.
a lot of
Yung sunod na.
people
Ay, hindi pala. Sorry.
about 26 comments and 24 got the correct answer,
So
and it's
24.
complete. What we were asking was complete name of this driver, Daniel Ricciardo, pero lahat sila yung iba meron pang Daniel Joseph Ricciardo, ganyan. So we will all consider that.
Complete
But Daniel Ricciardo is the minimum. Daniel Ricciardo is our minimum. Yan yung correct. Daniel Ricciardo, and then consider din natin si Daniel Joseph Ricciardo AM, Daniel
Someone
Joseph, the Honey
answered
Badger
Manila.
Ricardo. Yan. So, very
Daniel
complete
Ricciardo
yan.
from Perth.
So,
Okay.
So
ayan,
Yam,
si
yes.
Danny Rick talaga. Okay.
Danny Rick.
Danny Rick, no? So,
Maraming
ito,
nanalo.
we
So,
will
yan.
raffle it
All,
off.
Raffle na.
all the names.
Makikita
all the
ninyo,
names
nandyan
na
lahat ng
nakahuli.
mga
Pinaghandaan
comments
talaga ni
dito sa
Amboy.
loob. Yeah.
Pinaghandaan talaga ni Amboy. So,
So all of the
How many?
names.
Yam,
natin.
sino yung
Ano
nakakuha
yung
ng tama?
DTA representative natin dyan?
Ilan naman nanalo
Mga
yan?
20 pa. Isa lang.
Isa lang.
O,
Okay.
Jong, ano ibibigay mo? Kasi
This
nakalagay dito,
one.
premium
T-shirt.
golf items and from golf and purple
Nice.
sector.
Yeah, purple
So,
sector. We're gonna
open
give
natin
you
yung-
we're gonna give you a
Yeah,
what do you
so,
call that?
thank you. So,
Bag tag. Bag tag
nice.
and this.
Lewis Hamilton ata
again.
yung helmet mo yan.
nice, no? Thank you
No,
very
no,
much,
no.
Of, Oils, for tonight's premium
Lewis
prize.
Hamilton
Okay. This miniature helmet, during this time, it was 2012. The driver for Petronas was Michael Schumacher and
Chumi.
yung si Britney, si Sino yan?
Rosberg.
Jenson Button.
Nico Rosberg.
Nico
Yes,
Rosberg.
Rosberg.
Tama.
Nico
Yeah.
Rosberg. Jong, sa Malaysia
meron din
natin
ako yan.
binili to.
Yeah, meron din ako.
Yeah,
ng
sa
ano.
Malaysia. Sa Malaysia natin nabili.
Yeah. Sepang.
Okay, ito.
Alright.
Ito. Okay.
Who's gonna win?
And the winner is... Sana nandito siya tonight. Ronin James Ompok. Daniel
Oh.
Ay, si
Joseph
Ronin.
Ricardo.
Alright.
Congratulations.
There you go. Correct.
Okay, may
Yun.
address ba tayo kay Ronin?
I think we have. Ronin, so...
With profile
Okay.
pic. Galing
Congrats,
with profile
Ronin.
pic.
Alright. Ronin
Okay,
James
congratulations,
Ompok.
Ronin James Ompok.
Ronin James Ompok, if you're around, just comment, hooray. Just comment UPIO. Okay, congratulations. Okay. John,
Tapos,
comment.
Alright.
Baka meron tayong bagong comment.
ito pa.
Wait, off day si Hamilton kasi kay Driver Parade, he's just sitting konting wave lang ng ng ano, grabe pa rin siya represent sa social media team. Yeah, of course. Bakit hindi ko nakita yung post na guest the driver?
Uy,
Alright.
Shaira, we posted this ano lang last
Tagal na yan, di ba?
June 8, no, June 8 or June 7? June 7 or June 8 dyan.
Okay.
Sabi ko nga, bakit wala si Shaira absent dito sa ano?
Hindi na nakita.
kahit walang fax dito, alam niya si Daniel Ricardo yan. Kita
Yeah.
niyo naman. Oh,
Mm.
klaro yan.
Alright.
Daniel Ricardo yan. Anyway, ito pa, Jong.
Okay.
This is the one na doon naman sa prediction. Okay, Carl, if you are listening, si Carl nakakuha ng perfect score. Perfect niya.
Wow.
However, Carl, we have to consider the deadline. Ang deadline natin was June 8 at 11:59 p.m. Pero yung comment mo was June 9 na. Pero perfect yun. So shout out. Magaling ka. The best. Okay yun. Perfect. Yun nga lang, for the benefit of everyone,
Date
and
lang,
the
no?
deadline din dun sa sa post ko is June 8 at 11:59 p.m. So next time you read the instructions properly, pwede kang mag-double post noon, walang problema because hindi ko naman nilimit. 'Di ba? May sinasabi ako diyan na only one post per entry. May ganyan na instruction, pero sa anong tawag nito, sa predictions hindi ko na nilagyan ng ganun. So pwede kang mag 3 or 4 hanggang sa mahulaan mo, bala ka, no problem.
Yun.
So hindi ka na lang tanong, nagsagot ka na lang ulit. Pero Carl, perfect yung score mo ha. Kaso lang yon
hindi lang on
lumampas ka sa deadline. Yes.
time. Okay.
So next time, okay yan. Walang problema.
So
Ito, bubunutin ko na. May 3 kasing nakatama ng first and second. So sabi ni Jong, i-consider na natin kahit nakatama ng 2. So ito, bunutin ko naman yung
Alright.
pangalan.
So we're giving out another shirt for golf.
Wow!
Yes. All right.
Si Carl Angelo.
Carl Angelo.
Carl Angelo.
Okay.
Yes, Carl Angelo, tama yung first and second niya, Verstappen, Norris.
Oh,
So
okay.
Carl Angelo, congratulations. Shirt from Golf. That's Golf Williams
Yes,
shirt.
Golf Williams
Alright.
shirt. All right.
Congratulations, Carl Angelo. Ayos.
Congrats.
All right.
So,
now,
let's go to the question and
questions.
answer.
Yeah, we have 2 cups. First cup is the white one. Okay. Andy is gonna do the honors. Sir Yamboy, June
Google.
8. Sir
Google na
Yamboy,
kayo.
June 8 po ako nag-comment. We have to check.
Yeah.
We're
Pero
checking,
doon
we're checking.
sa comment mo 9. Pakita ko sa iyo, Carl ha. Dahil lang. Okay, while I'm searching it, Jong, please Continue
Sige,
with the
patuloy tayo.
question.
Andy,
Tuloy tayo sa Q&A.
question
Yes.
number 1 will
Okay.
win this
Ready na ba?
cup, stickers, and keychain. All right.
Open new tab Google.
Yeah. All right.
These are some
Question.
really nice questions we have tonight.
Yep.
So, we are going to put up question number 1 right now. Montreal was not the first to host the Canadian Grand Prix. Which track and in what city did Formula 1 have the first ever Canadian Grand Prix?
Ayun.
So, we're
Google
looking
nyo
for
Which track?
Dalawang
Or which
answer yan.
city?
Name of the track and city.
Name of the city.
name of the track and in which city.
Yep.
Yan ang hinahanap po natin.
In 5, 4.
Mahirap
Pabilisan
ba?
ng
Mukhang
Google
mahirap
yan.
ang ano.
Ang Google. Okay, name of the
Mabilis-
track,
madali lang.
Justin.
Name of the track?
Quebec? No, it was not in Quebec, but nice try. Hindi siya Quebec.
Saskatchewan.
Hindi rin. Di ko nga mas pala sa Saskatchewan eh. Pero buti na lang hindi sa Saskatchewan. So,
Mag-google ba
which
to?
track?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Dali lang yan.
Yes.
It will not, nope.
Okay, Jong,
It's
Google mo
not.
dyan.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Unfortunately, good driver, John
Okay.
Paul Reyes. Okay,
Well,
patuloy
up,
tayo.
Bianchi.
Keep going, guys.
Montreal was not the first to host the Canadian Grand Prix. Which
Yes.
track in what city did F1 have the first
Ito na lang,
Canadian
bigyan ko ng
Grand Prix?
clue. The first Canadian Grand Prix was held in 1961.
Ayun, CC Sainz.
Si
This is
Sainz.
correct.
Yun, no?
Sport
CC Sainz.
Park,
Sport Park,
Ontario,
Ontario.
Canada. There you
Yan.
go.
Congratulations.
If walang
Well done,
Google.
CC.
Yep. CC.
Si CC Sainz,
Well done.
si CC Sainz naman, sumobra yung O kay Daniel Ricciardo. Sayang,
Yeah.
hindi na
Yeah.
ano sa list. Okay, Jong,
Buti na lang.
kindly
Buti na lang
focus
hindi
me now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Carl. Ito kasi yung makikita pag people opened our comment page. Meron kasi diyang 1 day ago, pag i-hover mo yan, ito yung nakalagay na date. Sunday, June 9, 2024. So, yan, sa FB yan ha. Wala tayong daya dyan. Kahit i-check mo sa FB. O, kasi, baka kasi may mag-check ng mga ibang fans ba? Tapos,
Yeah.
lahat kasi 1 week ago, ikaw lang yung 1 day. Kaya, sayang ito. Ayan o, Verstappen, Norris, Russell. And this was before the race. Kaya perfect si
Yes.
Carl.
You're the only one who
Ang
got
problema
the
lang.
correct
Yeah.
order.
Ang problema lang, Carl,
Deadline lang.
pag na-check natin ito and ang ibang tao, Sunday, June 9 ang lumalabas. I don't know what happened, pero we have to consider this then. Sige lang, marami pa
Blame
tayong
it-
hula-hula.
blame
Marami
it
pa.
on
Alala.
Marami pa, Carl.
Blame it on Meta. Tsaka Carl, we're still race number 9. Marami pa tayo.
Yeah, marami pa tayo.
Oh,
Ayun.
don't worry. Marami pa yan.
Na ako na sana sa
CC
sagot na marami na ako prizes. Okay lang, CC. No worries. You could...
No worries.
You could,
You could
Gagawin
give it
ito
to
sa
your
lahat.
friends.
Yeah.
You could give it to
Okay,
your
ganito
friends.
lang. CC side. Kung
Online
ano yung
selling
premyo
yan.
na mapapanood mo, kung meron ka na noon, Jong will replace it with a different design na lang.
oh, let me know.
So,
Let me know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ito. Sabi ni Carl, qualifying day ko po kinoment. Yes, qualifying day that was June 9 Philippine time.
Yeah.
June 8 Philippine
Kaya
time
pala.
yung deadline ko. Oo.
Yeah.
So yun,
Yun.
Carl. Sige lang, huwag ka mag-alala. Don't worry.
Don't worry, Carl.
Marami pa.
Don't worry.
Carl,
Alright.
ibang
Flying
time
to
zone
naman.
siguro si Carl.
Hayaan mo na where to enjoy naman. Bawi ka na next time. Yay!
Yeah. Pero perfect ni Carl ha.
Yan, ha?
As in, nahulaan talaga niya. Nahulaan talaga niya.
First, second, third. Yes.
Magaling si
Carl
Carl.
was the only
no
one.
problem.
Carl was the only one. And because of that, Carl,
Yeah, oo.
Alright. Andy,
Oh.
Ikaw lang
question
nakapon.
number
Good
2.
effort. Sige. Second question.
Anong premyo nito, Jong? Anong premyo?
It is one.
Oh.
Yeah, the purple sector. Ooh,
Yep.
nice one.
Ooh,
the black
nice.
one.
Sige, ito, second question. In 1999, the famous or infamous Wall of Champions ended the race for free world champions. Kaya nakuha niya pangalan niya, the Wall of Champions. Sino yung tatlo na bumangga sa wall na yon during the 1999 Canadian Grand Prix? Yan, madali
Kahit
lang yan.
apelyedo lang, pwede na.
Pero yung tatlo,
Latifi.
world champion yun, ha? Nag-world champion
Yes.
yung tatlong yun.
World champion
Grabe!
yun sila. Yun o, bilis o. Justin.
Dominic Villalon,
Very good.
Michael Schumacher, Jacques Villeneuve, and Damon
Jacques
Hill.
Villeneuve and Damon Hill.
Wow. All right.
Copy
You
paste.
got this.
Copy-paste ng Google.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Pabilisan
Hill,
ng Google,
na
yun, ah.
ano lang.
Okay lang. No
Sorry,
problem.
Hill, no.
Nice.
Lang yan.
Well done,
Sorry,
Justin.
naunahan ka lang.
Nanalo siya.
All right. Last question.
Well done.
Hey, by the way, you send us your sizes, ha? Though we don't have the smallest, I think we only have until large. Tingnan ko kung may medium pa ba. All right. Last question.
Okay, last question.
Dominic
Last
Villalon.
question. Ito, medyo ano to. Medyo tricky ito. Ewan ko kung nasa Google ba to.
Go.
Mahirap
Mahirap
maging
yan pag
teacher
wala
si
sa
Yamboy.
Google.
Stricto masyado
I
sa spelling.
can't focus.
Relax
George
ka lang,
Russell.
Carl.
George Russell
Ayaw.
to siya, no?
Huwag ka mag-alala.
Carl
Walang yan.
Conrad
Focus, Carl.
Russell.
Perfect
Focus,
yung
Carl,
sa'yo,
focus.
perfect. No problem.
All right.
Sige, ito. Third question. Focus, Carl. Focus. In 1980, this current F1 team won both drivers and constructors championship in Montreal. Name the team and their drivers during that year. So sino
Madali lang to
yung
eh. Madali lang to
sinong team
di.
ito?
Wow.
Madali lang to di.
Sinong team ito in 1980?
Wow.
Montreal pa lang panalo na sila. Pero I guess
Grabe.
during this time na medyo later in the calendar siguro
Iba yung
Montreal.
format. Iba yung schedule. 1980, sige. Google
No,
natin.
siguro no.
Pwede tayo
Siguro
magbigay
later
ng clue.
in the calendar year pa.
Bigay tayo ng clue. Clue? Ito yung
Kinda tricky ito.
Ito yung
Ano bang premyo nito, Jong? While we're waiting.
this one.
Nice.
Ayun.
T-shirt. Waiting.
Di.
Bilisan ng Google.
Andy.
Michael Schumacher, Jordan.
During 1980, the Canadian Grand Prix
Nope.
was held September 28.
Wow.
So
Round 13.
much later in the year pala.
Round 13 ang Canadian Grand Prix.
But no, it was not Michael Schumacher for Jordan. No.
We need two drivers, ha? We need two drivers.
Two drivers at saka yung team nila. Sinong two
Bigyan
drivers at
natin
saka
ng
yung
clue.
team
Clue.
ang nanalo nito?
Anong clue ba yan?
Bigyan natin ng clue.
Yun o,
Ayun!
Jean-Marie Yu. Alan Jones and Carlos Reutemann for Williams. Yes!
Yes!
Wow!
Sinabi ko yung clue. Ganun na nga
May bagong,
ako.
we have a winner.
Alright.
Jean-Marie Yu.
Yeah, Jean-Marie
Well
Yu,
done.
please. I think this is the first time that I think you join us in this Q&A, so kindly message us. your
Congratulations,
complete-
Gian, and welcome to the Purple Sector.
Yes.
Good evening sa iyo,
Good
Gian.
evening.
Oo nga, parang una nating
Yeah.
nakita si Gian.
You could,
Hello,
ano.
Gian. Meet the others. Marami na kayo dito.
Yeah.
Si Sainz, Shaina, ikaw, dami
Yeah.
dito. Nice.
All right.
Good evening
So
sa lahat.
Carl.
Si Carl.
Carl.
Our top
Siyempre.
fan.
Yeah, top fan.
The top
Carl.
man.
Yeah. Don't worry, Carl. Next year.
Next year.
In fairness, this season, nahalata ko iba't ibang design ng Pirelli Cup. Sana Mexico GP.
Yes.
Charo Pirelli hat.
Yes.
Kung ano?
Oo nga, no? I'll be back stronger.
Yes.
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 That's the attitude, Hill.
Sisi Sainz.
Yes,
Yeah.
congrats,
Sisi Sainz.
Jay.
Congrats.
Ganito na lang.
Very good.
Si Jong, may
Well
assignment
done.
si Jong.
Ano?
Contact ang Pirelli to provide us with different
Mexico.
colored Pirelli.
Kinonta ko na. Wala daw yan.
Yung puti, no?
It's
Okay.
exclusive to Formula 1. The purple and the white.
Ah,
Yes, the purple and the white
Exclusive
exclusive
pa.
to Formula 1. So, wala.
sige.
Sorry.
Okay
Not
lang.
yet.
Okay lang. Sige lang.
Lang yan.
No
Okay lang
problem.
yun. Basta Pirelli pa rin.
Lang yan.
Yeah.
Importante
Yung
Pirelli talaga.
purple, everybody was
Ah,
why there's a purple?
Ma-
That's for the
Oo nga.
female F1. Yeah, yun yung ano.
Ano ba yun?
Female F1
Okay.
Yeah, purple yung sinuot nila.
Yung current na ano?
Yeah,
Oo nga, no?
yeah. It's a
Purple
purple.
Okay,
Academy.
pero sa Miami, di ba? Purple din yun. Miami. Ay, no, the blue. Blue yung
yata
Pirelli
yun.
nun, nung Miami.
Yeah.
Yung kulay ng Miami. Yeah. Okay, Jong,
Yep.
may
go.
announcement lang ako. Everyone. Okay,
Mm.
ang guest the driver will be scheduled randomly. Wala yan siyang schedule na kung ano-ano.
Yeah.
Kung naisipan lang namin na guest the driver,
So,
yan,
abangan
basta
ninyo.
bantayan ninyo. Abangan ninyo yan lagi. Si
Facebook
Jaina, abangan mo Kasi kahit silhouette lang ng lahat ng drivers, kayang hulaan itong bata nito. Kaya yun. Hinihintay ko nga ba't wala dito yung ano?
Pero it
Wala,
doesn't,
hindi siguro
Yam,
niya nakita.
it doesn't mean that the driver is current driving,
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
we're gonna have-
Another
always.
clue
Not
F1
always.
driver.
Another
Basta
clue.
F1 driver.
Lahat ng drivers ng F1, regardless if it's driving or not. So,
Yeah, it's
yan.
not current.
Basta meron kami mga facts.
Yes.
Basta F1, yeah.
Pwedeng patay na, pwedeng buhay pa, di ba?
Yeah.
Basta F1.
All
Para matuto
I'll
talaga
bring my
tayo
upgrades.
about,
Yes,
F1
he'll bring
history.
your upgrades. All right.
Karun Chanduk.
Yeah.
Chanduk.
Okay.
Sali pa si Karon.
Yeah. All right. I think
Masali
we're
yan.
good, guys.
Pati si Jolion Paul.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah. Okay. So,
Yeah,
before
well
we
done.
go, Andy.
Yes. Thank you for joining us for tonight. No, was another fun race, and thank you for watching the show. Thank you for participating in our little Q&A dito sa Purple Sector, no. And yes, you'll have to excuse my voice kasi talagang bumibigay na. Anyway, we do hope you will join us again in 2 weeks, no, for the Spanish Grand Prix.
Yep.
2 weeks from now, di ba?
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys again, and of course, being the European the start of the European leg, it's going to be meron po tayong live viewings.
Yep.
Is that correct, John?
Yes,
Meron po
yes,
tayong
yes.
mga live viewings
We
done.
do.
So do check out the F1 community live viewing community na Facebook page so that you can be up to date with the schedules and kung saan may live viewing near you. For those na nagtatanong about ticket prices, etc., you would have to ask kung yung individual na yung particular po na
Venue.
na venue. Yes, thank you, Jong. So you ask them and yeah, they'll be more than happy to give you the information. But yeah, hopefully we'll see you sa one of our live viewings, and hopefully we'll see you back here in 2 weeks time
2
for
weeks
our
time.
post-race show.
Yes.
Yep. So until then, everyone, stay safe.
All right. Miles.
okay. This is your Tito Miles thanking everyone who joined us for nearly 2 hours tayo
Yeah.
in discussing the Canadian Grand Prix. Congratulations sa mga nanalo. And hopefully, sarikin kayo ulit sa mga future na palaro natin. Okay? So, see you 2 weeks time for Spanish Grand Prix. Hoping na more action. We get to see more action from them. Okay? Once again, this is your Tito Miles. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Hoping the return of the Scarlet Red cars, no? Yam.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for joining us tonight. I hope you learned something, and if not, I hope you were entertained. Congratulations to all the winners natin tonight. And Carl, perfect yung hula mo, yung oras lang talaga. Anyway, better luck next time. Marami pa tayong mga games sa Facebook page natin. So,
Yes, yes.
stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you and see you see you Tuesday after the Spanish Grand
Grand
Prix.
Prix.
All right.
Alright.
So, Yong.
All right. Thank you everyone to my three partners right here. Maraming salamat for another nice discussion of the Formula One race, the Canadian Grand Prix. And to all the winners, congratulations. And don't forget, comment lang kayo dun sa page natin and we will try to interact with you as best as we can. So stand by as well for those little stuff that we share there na guess a driver and all the stuff that we can think about. So, yun. And of course, thank you to our partners for this season, especially Gulf Oil Philippines, Pirelli, and Alpine Stars. So, thank you for joining us tonight, and we'll see you 2 weeks from now, next Tuesday, after the Spanish Grand Prix. All right. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.
Down towards the season, Vikings in